Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Flamingo. In one of our previous videos, we created app roles for users to be able to have different users have admin commands, but that one does not allow you to have applications with it. So in this video, we're gonna do the same role, but instead of for users, for applications. So first I'm gonna go here, and I'm just gonna copy and paste. So as you can see, like basically the only change um, is the application. Everything else is the same. You have the description, you create your unique ID, you enable it, language, um, and then the values. So in this one, we're just going to call it function admin role. We're going to save it. And now we're going to go to add a new application to this, we have to do it in PowerShell. So I just connected with Connect-AzureAD. If you do not have the Azure AD module installed, you just do it with install Azure AD module, install module Azure AD, sorry. And then you do Connect-AzureAD, it's going to ask you for credentials. Then in here, this is when you have to go fishing to get this value. So the role ID is the role ID that we just set here, so that one is this one. Then we have the MSIObjectID, that's just like the object ID of the MSI that you're giving it access to. Hopefully it's an MSI, if not it can be a service principal. Then the AppObjectID, as you can see here, I put it in the comment that I get from Enterprise App because for some reason those are different. So if we go here and we look at the object ID, it's like the 13 something. But if we go here for my web application, so this inside Enterprise Applications, and we get object ID, it's a different object ID, so make sure you're getting the one from the enterprise applications. And we're gonna copy this. And now we run this. So as you can see, it was created for my principal name, which is that's the name of my MSI. Then it was gave it access to this application, and then that object ID that was created. And now the last thing that we have to do is change our code to add the roles equals functions admin role. So now the only person that will be able to access this API will be, well, it's not even a person. The only thing that will be able to access the API is our application. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.